Who doesn't love pizza? Especially when it's homemade and loaded with juicy chicken, melted cheese, and that crispy crust you just can't resist. Hi everyone, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this perfect chicken pizza right in your kitchen. Now let's make the pizza dough. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. To begin, we'll start by combining the flour, yeast, and salt in a bowl. Add warm water, oil, then knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. You can transfer this onto a working surface and work into it. Oil the bowl and return the dough to it. Knead the dough into a smooth round ball. Cover it and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes or until it doubles in size. This is where the magic happens. A soft, fluffy base for your perfect pizza crust. Punch it down. Divide it in half and roll each portion into balls. Set this aside. While the dough rests, let's prep our chicken. Now remember, you can use any leftover cooked chicken you have available. But for this, I'll be preparing the grilled chicken from scratch. In a blender, combine the onion, broadleaf thyme, fresh pepper, ginger, salt, and vegetable oil. Blend up everything till you get a smooth puree. Place the chicken in a bowl and pour the blend in. We're going to leave the chicken to marinate for about 1 hour. You can also do this a day before grilling, so the chicken soaks up the flavors longer. This adds extra flavor and makes your pizza irresistible. Place on a grilling tray and grill in the oven for 20 minutes on each side. Once done, leave to cool and then chop into smaller bits. Set this aside. Now here's the secret ingredient you'll need to make the perfect pizza, and that is corn flour. Once you make your pizza crust with this, you'll get that unique Domino's pizza taste. I learned this a long time ago while working at Domino's, and it changed my pizza game by taking it to a whole new level. Sprinkle the corn flour on the pizza tray, then place the dough on the tray and spread it out. Spread the pizza sauce evenly. Add the chopped onion, cheese, chicken, and bell peppers. Then top with a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. It already looks delicious, but just wait till it hits the oven. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Look at that crust, golden, crisp, and cheesy. The chicken adds that perfect bite of flavor. Whether it's movie night or weekend cravings, this homemade chicken pizza will never fail you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Till next time,